How to get $100 code in Uber Eats. Welcome to Lemme Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. Firstly, launch your preferred browser in your device. Search for Uber Eats promo code. You will see various of websites dealing with Uber Eats promo code. You can tap on any of the website that you prefer. For the sake of this video, I'll be choosing this one. In here, you'll find various of promo code that you can select on. In some of the websites, you can also enter email address and tap on Get Alerts, in which you will never miss out any of the coupon or promo code. Tap on Show Promo Code and tap on Copy. If not, tap on Redeem at Uber Eats. In this way, you'll be redirected to the Uber Eats website. To redeem the code, firstly, you need to either opt from a Uber Eats application or your Uber Eats website. At the end, during the payment or the checkout, you will find a Apply Promo Code button where you can apply the promo code. You will see a substantial discount at the end as well, which has brought us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in.